Today I will talk about, you could say, a niche category that have new customers every single day. Take these shirts for example. What do you see in common between them? Well, they are all targeting people who are becoming a new thing or a first time thing. Now there is two approaches for this niche category. You could look for a low competition niche like new in something, interest or a job or a hobby or whatever, but you will find a hard time to find those low competition and good selling niches. That's why the second approach is to niche down in the big niche itself, like first time grandpa. We're not gonna type just first time grandpa, we're gonna find a sub niche in it. So I typed in ChatGPT, write me a subject that people become new at every day, like a new driver or first time grandpa, and here we got the homeowner example, and I said that's a good example, give me around 100 more examples, and I got a bunch of potential results that we can start the research with. Let's go with the new homeowner and go simply search it on Amazon. So here what I talked about, the big competition. If you simply make a design with new homeowner, it will not sell. That's why you gotta niche down on what's selling and have a low competition. Let's start by checking this one. This queen just bought her first house, so I found 200 results. It's very low of course, but the sales are definitely not the best. There's around 4 designs that have been sold and not even great BSRs. But this design that we found and started with is not competing in the sub niche itself, but it's competing in the main niche, new homeowner shirt. That's the reason it have a good BSR of 100,000. Let's take a look now at this niche. We're officially homeowners. Alright, less than 200 results. For the sales, we've got around 7 designs that have been sold. It's not the best niche obviously, but it's a starting point, cause your goal should be using these sub niches to eventually rank in the main niche, which is in this case new homeowner. Then you will start getting those consistent sales. You could now go back to ChatGPT to get another niche idea, like let's say first time traveler. Search it on Amazon again. Okay, there is no exact first-time traveler design, but I can see some similarities like this, my first plane ride, multiple selling designs about it, so let's check it out. Over 1000 results, and here you will probably not even check the results and sales, you will instantly go back, which is a wrong thing if you did. So if I scroll down here, you can see the BSRs are good, but the most important thing is a lot of designs are selling, and I mean a lot, pretty much all the first page is selling. If I scroll up again, you can see product or extension, this 58 out of 60, so 96% of the designs in the first page are selling. And don't give yourself the excuse that they are old designs and you can't compete with them. I used to do that and it was wrong, because if I filter by 2024 to see what's the designs that have been uploaded only this year and already have been sold, you can see this one have been uploaded on March 28 and this other one February 29. And also you can see that this design is showing in the first page but didn't make any sales yet. Well, that's how also Amazon works. Amazon gives you impression on the designs that you upload, and the number of impressions you get, I believe it depends on the competition and the search volume in that niche. So I think that Amazon see how your design performs. If it gets no clicks or sales, it goes to other pages and another design take your place to get tested as well. Because even when I run ads, I usually make a sale when I reach a couple hundreds of impressions. It's very rare to make a sale in only 10 to 50 impressions. You have to be very targeted. But anyway, I will talk about Amazon ads in the future. Let me know if you want that actually. And one more way you should know I do to check if the niche is good is I need to see 10% of the results are made into sales. So in this example you have 1600 results, so I gotta see 160 sales. Well, based on the BSRs and the reviews and the amount of designs that have been sold, definitely more than even 300 sales here. I also noticed this my very first airplane ride, so the word very is added here. Let's add it to the niche as well to check the competition. So 300 results, and there's different designs that are selling. If you upload here and made a few sales, you will rank on the previous niche as well, my first airplane ride, without the very, just like the other design did. Now before we continue the video, if you want to receive 10 winning niches with low competition every single Monday for free, make sure to join the newsletter in description. A lot of people are making sales with those niches, so maybe you could be one of them. Now let me show you one more example and also show you how quickly I will design for it. Let's now take any other general niche from ChatGPT. I will take a new hiker. Here are the results. I'm gonna open this design. It's just another mile or so, and paste it in the search bar. And you can see we got this. It's just another half mile or so. A suggestion that the customers are looking for. And the results are less than 800. The sales are also great. Like a lot of designs are selling. That's a very good niche. So to design for it, I searched on Kittle hike to get some hiking design templates that I can use. Let's use this one. The mountains are colon. So when using the templates, you make the design more quickly. Like all I change is the text and the color. So double click the text and replace with your design, just like I'm doing here. In this one, you can see the text was longer, so I will drag it like this way and move these line graphics and place the text like this. And click this icon to make sure it's centered with the design. Now replace, I must go with orso. For this line graphics now, I will ungroup them and place them like this. There is a texture above the design and I want to remove it, so come to layers and click the eye in the texture layer. That's much better now. I also will select all of the text and change the color to white so it look better on a black t-shirt. Everyone knows by now that the black color is the most sold color shirt in Print on Demand. Also, I'll change the graphic color to white. And this is a good design. By the way, you will find the link to try Kittle for free in description. Give it a try, you will like the templates. And ask me any question you have in mind about Print on Demand. I will make sure to answer you.